Most of the students are unaware of the difference among Indo Anglian literature, Anglo Indian literature, or Indo English. So, today we are talking of what is Indo Anglian literature or what is Anglo Indian literature. So, just have a look at the difference between both. Indo Anglian literature, Indo means Indian and Anglian means concerned with English language. So, Indo-Anglian literature, we can say that original literary creation, okay, literary creation, that is literature, literary creation in the English language by Indians. When an Indian is writing a literature but in English language, that will be called an Indo-Anglian literature or an Indo-Anglian writing, or it is created by the Indians through the English language. So, it is Indo-Anglian literature. Anglo-Indian literature, Anglo again English, Indian literature means now the writing of Englishmen in English about India or Indian life or Indian culture, means now when an Englishman is writing in his own language, in his English, but he is writing about India, Indian culture or Indian life. The writing of Englishmen in English about Indian and Indian life, Indian culture or on Indian themes, or he takes the subject related to India, that is called Anglo-Indian literature. They reflect the literature or Anglo-Indian literature reflect how Englishmen see India, means in this kind of literature we look from the side or from the approach of an Englishman. How does he look? How does he see India and the Indian life? So, such writings interpret India to the West. Indo-English literature. So, what is Indo-English literature? That is translations into English from literature in Indian language. So, Indo-English literature, the translations into English language from literature. Originally, it is composed in the language of India, maybe any regional language. So, Indo-English literature translations into English from literature in Indian languages. So, that was Indo-Anglian, Anglo-Indian and Indo-English literature. Now, what is the transcreation? We always hear this word in literature, transcreation. Transcreation, those translations which the author himself makes of his works in his own mother tongue into English language. We can say, for example, Gitanjali. In case of it, the original text is not faithfully followed. Maybe that it is not faithfully followed because it is not possible for a writer to translate each and every word of his own language. So, it is the text is not faithfully followed. It may be altered or it may be improved. It may be both. Or translation, that is transcreation, may be translation from one language to another by the author himself. Okay, translation from one language to another by the author himself or maybe by others. So, that is transcreation. So, this was Indo-Anglian literature, Anglo-Indian literature, Indo-Anglian literature and transcreation.